Hi, welcome to first session on the topic geometry. In this session, we are going to start with a small concept called as mass point geometry. So, in order to understand this concept, let me take the help of figure 1, which is over here. According to this figure, there is a stick, or else there you can say there is a rod, and two weights each of 10 kg are placed on the left hand side and the right hand side of the rod. Now when I hold this rod or stick exactly at this point, it will be in equilibrium state. Now let me take figure 2. So in figure 2, there are weights of 20 kg and 50 and 5 kg on the left and right hand side respectively. So if I hold this rod at this point, will it be in a state of equilibrium? No, because to the left and right hand side the weights are different. So what I'll do is, if I place some additional weight, say 5 kg over here to this side and 20 kg over to this side, this will become, when I hold it here, it will attain a state of equilibrium. So we shall apply this concept in questions like these, where you will be given a triangle and a line segment that is connecting one end to the other, to the base at the other end, divides the base in certain ratio, and you will be asked to find the ratios. Say for example, here in this figure, AD is dividing BC in the ratio of 2:3, and similarly BE is dividing AC in the ratio 3:1, and you are asked to find AO is to OD and BO is to OE. So now we shall solve this question with the help of point mass geometry, and we'll see how it helps in solving these kinds of questions. Now let me take this line segment BC, that is the base of the triangle, and let this point be D, and this D has divided it into the ratio 2:3. Now we'll compare it with our above example. Here we have seen that there is 5 kg over here, there is 20 kg over here, and we have taken certain point, and this point is dividing this in the ratio of 5:20, which is nothing but the weights at this particular point, and the weights to the weight, whatever is to the left hand side of this point, that is toward this side, will be same as this weight, and whatever is to the right hand side of this point will be same as this weight. So the ratio is 5:20, or else we can write it as 1:4. So here that means at C there is a weight of 2 kg, and at D there is a weight, and at B there is a weight of 3 kg. This is what we have inferred. Now before concluding it, we shall see one more line segment, that is AC, one of the sides of the triangle, and this point E has divided AC in the ratio 3:1. That means there is 3 kg weight at C and 1 kg weight at A. So from here we have got 2 kg weight at C, and from this we have got 3 kg weight at C. That means weight at C will be a multiple of 2 and 3. So for the sake of simplicity, what I'll assume is weight at point C is 6 kg. This is obtained by multiplying 2 with 3, and so here at B the weight would be 3 with 2, 9 kg, because the multiplying factor is 3. So I have multiplied 2 with 3 and got this 6 kg. So I'll have to multiply 3 with 3 to get this 9 kg. So weight at D would be summation of this entire weight. So this will be 15 kg. And similarly, if this is 6 kg, multiplying factor is 2. So here it would be 2 kg. Now we are asked to find AO is to OD. So here at O the weight would be 17 kg, and at E the weight would be 8 kg. Summation of these two weights. So AO is to OD would be 15 is to 2, and BO is to OE would be 8 is to 9. 8 is to 9. So this is the ratio. Now let us take a look at this question. Here it is given that the line segment BC, which is the base of the triangle, so this is BC, and D divides it in the ratio 7 is to 1. That means at C there is a 7 kg as per the ratio in which it has been divided. And there is also one more information with regard to C, that is AC. This is the line segment AC, and E divides it in the ratio 2 is to 5. That means at C, as per this information, there is a weight of 2 kg. So what I'll do is I'll assume that at C there is a weight of 14 kg, multiple of 2 and 7. So I'll put 14 kg over here. If this is 14 kg, the multiplication factor is nothing but 2 into 7. So at A it will be 5 into 7, this is 35 kg. And at E it would be summation of these two, 35 plus 14. So this would be 49 kg. Now at B there would be a weight of 7 kg. There would be a weight of 2 kg. Multiplication factor is 2, not 7. So at D there would be a weight of 16 kg, and at O there would be a weight of 2 plus 49, that is 51, and 35 plus 16, that is also 51. So there is a weight of 51 kg over at O, and here it would be 37 kg at F, the weight of 37 kg at F. Now AO is to OD. AO is to OD. This is nothing but 16 is to 35. If we can we simplify this any further? Because we cannot, so we'll leave it there. And BO is to OE. So this is 49 is to 2, and CO is to OF. This is 37 is to 14. So these are the ratios. Now let us take a look at another question here, because if you see here, there is this line segment AD, and the ratios on both sides of AD is available, and there is another line segment BC, and the ratios on both the sides of this line segment are available. So the point of interest here is D. In the earlier question which we have seen, in the two questions, one was BC and the other side where the information was available, the ratio in which this was divided was 2 is to 5, and this was divided in 7 is to 1. So the common point here was C. We should take that point which is basically the point of interest, that on both sides of it the ratios are given. We should take that particular point. Here in this question, that particular point is D. So what I'll do is, I know that if I place say 2 kg weight over here and 3 kg weight over here, that means D would be 5 kg, and but as per this information that is given, D would be 3 kg. So what I'll take is multiplying 3 into 5, I'll take 15 kg to be the weight at D. If it is 15 kg, so the multiplication factor here would be, what I'll do is, if this is 15 kg, so 3 into 5 is 15, so here there is 5 kg weight over here, and we know that 2 into some portion plus 3 into some portion is equals to 15. So what I'll do is, this is 5k is equals to 15, so multiplying factor is 3. So here there would be 9 kg and here there would be 6 kg. So I'll write these things here. So this is 6 kg over at C, and this is 15 kg at D, and here there is 9 kg at B, and at A there is 5 kg, and that means at O there would be 20 kg, and this is 6 kg, so this would be 14 kg over here at F. Now let us look at the ratios that is given. This will be 11 kg at E. That are asked is AE is to EC. AE is to EC. So this is nothing but 6 is to 5, and CO is to OF. This is nothing but 14 is to 6. This can be simplified further, 7 is to 3, and AF is to FB. AF, so this is 9 is to FB is 5. So these are the ratios. Now let us take a look at this question. In this question, we can clearly see the point that we must be interested is O, because there are two line segments. This is one line segment and this is another line segment, and the common point is O, and the ratios on either side of O are available. So we need to figure out or else assume something related to O. So we know that O would be, as per this line segment, that is AD, O would be multiple of 7. O would be 7 kg, and as per the line segment FC, O would be 5 kg. So 3 kg. So what I'll do is I'll assume O to be multiple of 7 and 3, 21 kg. So this is 21 kg. So that means for the line segment AD, the multiplication factor would be 3. So there is 12 kg over here, there is 9 kg over here. And for FC, the multiplication factor would be 7. So there would be 7 kg over here and 14 kg over here. And this would be 2 kg. And this would be 19 kg. Now we can get the ratios that we need. BO is to OE. BO is to OE. So this is 19 is to 2, and AE is to EC. AE is to EC. So this would be 7 is to 12, and AF is to FB. AF is to FB. This is 2 is to 12. So this can be simplified further. This is 1 is to 6. So these are the ratios. Now let us take a look at this question. Here it is 5 is to 2. Now in this question, the point of interest would be E, and as per this line segment BE, weight at E would be 5 kg, and as per this line segment AC, it would be 5 kg. So I'll assume the weight to be 5 kg. So the multiplying factor here is 1. So this would be 2 kg over here. So this would be 2 kg over here. And here it would be 3 kg. After this, we can get that the weight at O would be 7 kg. So the weight at D would be 5 kg. And weight at F would be 4 kg, and we have got all the required things. Now we'll see the ratios. We are asked to find AO is to OD. So this is nothing but 5 is to 2, and CO is to OF. This is nothing but CO is to OF. This is 4 is to 2. This can be further simplified as 2 is to 1. And the another ratio that is asked is BD is to DC. BD is to DC. This is nothing but 3 is to 2. And AF is to FB. This is 1 is to 1. Here there is a small correction. CO is to OF would be CO is to OF. So this would be 4 is to 3.